Welcome to my channel. My name is Sahana Khan. I am back with another hair collab, and today I am collabing with Nadula Hair. They sent me this beautiful pre-colored highlighted wig, and I will be installing it with you guys. So let's get right into this video. Also, y'all always asking me about my baby hairs, so I figured in this video that I will show y'all how I do them. Very easy, very simple. I try to keep it simple. Sometimes I do overdo it, sometimes I don't do enough. I'm still learning in the process. Like, every time I do a wig, I get better at it. Not even just better at it, I learn another technique, like just different things. But I want to show y'all how I did my baby hair. It's nothing really spectacular. No lie, sometimes I do have to do it like 10 times just to get it how I want it to be. But eventually it comes out right. This is the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed as much as I enjoy making and collabing with Nadula Hair. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to go shop with Nadula Hair and use my discount code to get money off if you are interested in purchasing a wig or anything from this website and company. Also, y'all, I did not put anything in this hair. This is how it came out the box, literally. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat if you already haven't. Also, don't forget to tell a friend about my channel, and I will see y'all in my next video.